Today we're going to be talking about section 7.4, homeostasis and cells. The cell as an organism. Individual cells, including unicellular organisms, must maintain homeostasis much like any animal would. The easiest way to think about this is if it's the middle of the winter, you walk outside with no winter coat on, you will be freezing. The way you maintain homeostasis is by putting on a jacket and multiple layers so you stay warm. If it is the middle of July in the middle of a desert, you do not walk out with a big parka on. You will take off clothes and you will have the minimum amount covering you, and you will drink a lot of water because you're trying to maintain homeostasis. You're trying to cool your body down as best as you can. One example of this would be you sweating. Unicellular organisms maintain homeostasis by growing, responding to the environment, transforming energy, so this would be either acquiring energy through eating an animal or plant, or if you are a plant, you basically need to convert the sun's energy into a usable form. And finally, by reproducing. You need to make other versions of yourself so you can carry on the species. Unicellular eukaryotes. Examples of this include protozoa, algae, yeast, and some fungi. Fungi would be, an example would be mushrooms. Yeast are another version or form of fungus. They are always found in baked goods. If you have bread, the yeast, which is put in the dough mixture when it goes through a chemical process, causes air pockets, and that's how you get the nice holes in the airiness in good bread. Algae, basically, that's the green stuff that would be on a pond, and that's basically a form of a plant that converts sun's energy into a usable form. Moving on. Unicellular prokaryotes. All bacteria are unicellular. Multicellular organisms. Example would be humans. They maintain homeostasis by becoming specialized for a particular task and communicating with other cells. The cell specialization. Cells have special jobs. Heart cells keep the heart beating. Nerve cells transport impulses, etc. Specialized cells can all begin to work as a group together. This would be tissues. Examples would include the heart tissue being the heart muscle. That specialization is pumping blood throughout your body. Nerve cells would basically provide impulses and help you know what's going around you. Groups of tissues working together form the organ, just as I mentioned. Groups of organs working together form organ systems, such as the circulation system in a human. Cell communication. Communication symbols that are passed from one cell to another. Signals can speed up or slow down cell activity. This happens in groups of cells that perform the same function, cells of the same tissue or organ. That concludes our quick review of 7.4. If you need to rewind any point during this quick video, please do so. You can stop and then fill out your PowerPoint notes as needed. If you have any questions, please ask Ms. Leone or Mr. Franta during class. Thanks.